Hey everyone. Right, so about a year ago, I managed to get a new job that moved me from the position of living paycheck to paycheck into a position where I was actually able to save for my future. So today, stick with me while I go through my current portfolio and the plan I have for my future. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. My name's Ben, and today I wanted to go over the current state of my investment portfolio. So I haven't been investing for long and I'm still learning, but I wanted to go over the current state of my portfolio and explain my plans for it going forward. Primarily, I'm investing using the dividend investing strategy, although I have also bought some stocks for growth purposes, mainly due to the 2020 plague, which has allowed decent values for some of these companies, and I think they will recover quite well. So moving on to the actual portfolio. At the time of recording this, my portfolio is valued at just over £2,000, which for me personally is a fair amount of money. As I've said before, I was living paycheck to paycheck, so I never had the option to amount any sort of savings or fund. My portfolio is currently spread across 59 companies and I don't hold any ETFs in the portfolio, which might be slightly over diversified for the value. However, I am confident with all the companies that I've bought and looked into. As mentioned, I am primarily looking at dividend investing stocks, as this allows me to receive the dividend cash from them and then reinvest it into other companies that are a better value at the time, rather than having to sell a stock to regain some capital gain to then buy another one. The reason for this is I feel the growth strategy to a degree is robbing Peter to pay Paul. And while there are multiple studies that show that growth is better for low value, I personally prefer the idea of reclaiming the value steadily from the companies that I own. Currently, I'm purchasing my stocks through my Trading 212 ISA, as this allows me to retain any value and profits I make without having to pay them to the government. And personally, I'm quite happy because generally I've seen an upwards trend in dividend stocks from month to month. As of the end of December, my portfolio had managed to return a total of £19.51p, with the highest monthly dividend being last December, so December 2020, where I managed to accrue £4.29, which is nearly the price of a double sausage and egg McMuffin meal at my local McDonald's. So, moving over to my portfolio and the stocks that I currently hold, I'm going to display them on the screen for everyone watching and also list them off for anyone that happens to be listening, perhaps while driving. And if there's any of you that are watching while driving, stop. Just stop now. I appreciate your viewership, however, I'm sure that the family of four you're about to crash into aren't going to be as appreciative. So, the platform I use for investing is Trading 212, and I'm currently using that ISA that I opened last year. However, if you would like to check out their services, I have added a link below, and then we will both get a free share if you sign up following that link. So, the companies I currently hold, starting with the ones starting with numbers and then proceeding in alphabetical order, we have 3M. Then for the A's, we have AbbVie, Altria Group, Amgen, Apple, Associated British Foods, AT&T and AXA. Moving on to the B's, we've got Bank of America, Barclays, BMW, BP, British Tobacco, Broadcom and Bunzl. Under the C, we have Cardinal Health. We also have Carnival UK, Chevron, Cineworld, Cisco Systems, Coca-Cola, Comcast and CVS Health. For the D's, we have Dutch Telecom and Dominion Energy, Domino's Pizza. Under the E's, we have Eastman Chemicals, Essilor. We have a couple of G's, being Games Workshop Group and GlaxoSmithKline. For the H's, we have Home Depot, Hommel Foods. Moving on to the I's, we've got ING Group, Intel and ITV PLC. We've then got a couple of J's, being Johnson & Johnson and JP Morgan & Chase. For the K's, we've got Kraft Heinz. For the M's, we have Main Street Capital, McDonald's, Medtronic and Microsoft. For the O's, we just have Omega Healthcare Investors. For the P's, we have Pembina Pipeline, PepsiCo, Philip Morris and PPL Corp. A couple for the R's, which are Realty Income, Royal Dutch Shell and Royal Mail. Under the S's, we have Simon Property Group, Stag Industrials and Store Capital. Getting to the end, we also have under the V's Verizon. Under the W's, we have Walgreens Boots, Walmart, Walt Disney and Wells Fargo. And the last one would be Yum Brands under the Y's. So that's a quick list of all the shares that I hold. Some of these positions aren't as large as I would like. However, I am looking to purchase more as time goes on as they drop in and out of value. Now, I have a question for you. How many of these companies have you heard of? And even more, how many companies do you personally invest in yourself? And is there any I'm missing? Is there any that I should look into? If you know any, please drop in the comment below, and also let me know in the comments what ones these hold and what your thoughts are on any of the companies. I am going to be looking at doing a portfolio update regularly. I'm thinking monthly, just for the time being, while I haven't got that much activity going on. However, if you guys would like to see them weekly or bi-weekly, please comment below and let me know, and I'll do my best to include that for you. I am also planning videos to go over each stock that I hold and explain why I've picked them up, what they do, and why I believe they're good value or were at the time that I purchased it. Most likely I'll be doing this by order of category or highest position. However, if there's any particular stocks you would like me to discuss, please comment below and I will look to doing them first. So please make sure you subscribe and ring that little bell just so that you get notified when those videos come out. So that's nearly all from me today. I hope you've enjoyed the video and that you've hit the buttons. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, hell, smash all the buttons. But if you're going to do that, please start with the dislike button and then move across to the others. So, thank you for taking the time to watch. I've been Ben, you've been you, and I hope you have a good rest of the week. See you next time.